Video is going to show you how your students will navigate through the Algebra 1 Readiness Escape Room. This is intended for new incoming Algebra 1 students during the first weeks of school because it reviews essential pre-algebra skills that they need for Algebra 1. So when the students put the website in, they will come to this page. They will click Begin Mission, and this will take them to the page. It's an overview for everything they need to do. So the scenario is the night before school orientation, the entire math network suddenly shut down at school, and without it, they can't start classes. So the students have been locked inside the school until they restore the system and bring it back online. How do they do that? They find and solve all 18 clues hidden within the escape room while avoiding decoys. So let's look at the escape room. This is the escape room scene. This is where they will find everything that they need. They'll click on objects to find clues while avoiding decoys. So they'll click on an object, they'll find the clue, a digitally fillable worksheet comes with it, or they can use a piece of paper. So either way, they'll write the answer down for clue number 9, hit return to go back to the escape room to continue looking for clues. Again, not everything they bring them to is a clue. There are some decoys hidden throughout the room. Decoys are just meant to emulate real escape rooms. They're little pitfalls to show the students not everything that's clickable will lead you down the path of escaping and success. So they'll click return, go back to the escape room. When they have found and solved all 18 clues, they will click on Enter Answers. That will bring up this page. If they've come here by mistake, no problem. They just hit, oops, take me back. But if they really are ready to enter their answers, they will click Enter Answers. They'll say, yes, I'm really ready. And they'll come to essentially 18 password protected pages where all they have to do is enter their answer and hit enter. And that will bring up an individual lock page that basically says, congratulations, you cracked the code. You haven't escaped yet. You have to solve all 18. They'll do this 18 times, and that will bring up their final congratulations page. Unlike my Google Sites escape rooms, this is not housed on a Google site. This is just a regular Genially website that everybody can use. You cannot submit this. So the students can't submit this. You won't get a report of all their answers. So if you need proof of completion, I'd have them take a screenshot of this. I'd have them turn in the digitally fillable worksheet, whether it's printed or electronically. Or if you're doing this as a group activity, you don't need proof of completion. So this is the perfect Welcome to Algebra 1 activity. Your students will be psyched for the school year. If you love this, let me know. Email me. Go to my store. Teachers Pay Teachers, Math Hop by Jackie B. Thanks so much.